Hello all, welcome to the channel Cloud Knowledge. Today in this video we'll study about export of collection from Postman tool or Postman application to Insomnia application. Postman is the tool which we have been using for testing of the web APIs. Okay, in the same way we have Insomnia application and it serves the same purpose of testing of the APIs. And in this video, we are going to take the collection, export it from the Postman tool and import in the Insomnia. And why we are performing the export and import? In order to save our time to create the collection and the different requests to access the APIs. Okay. So we'll just go to the Postman tool first. Here we are inside the Postman software, where we have a bearer token collection which has few methods. In this collection, in total, we have 5 different requests. So this collection we want to import into Insomnia. First, let me show you Insomnia. If we type Insomnia REST client, the very first page will open up the standard page of Insomnia. Insomnia is also used to design, debug and test the APIs locally or in the cloud. In our case, we'll do it locally. And this is the page insomnia.rest pricing, where we can download it for free. Okay, insomnia.rest/pricing. So we'll be using the free version of it. After downloading and installing, you will get this Insomnia page as the home page, and the Postman page is this, which is having our existing collection which has to be imported into that Insomnia too. So here in this collection we will go to the 3 dots, which is view more actions. In the 3 dots we'll go down. We have an option called export. We'll click over export. It will open up this export collection prompt, where it will be asked that it will be exported as a JSON file. Export it with the collection 2.1 or 2. We'll let it be the latest version and we'll click on export. It will open up File Explorer, and here we will select the File Explorer location of the JSON file to be saved. So we'll save it into the location. Your collection was exported successfully. Now we'll go to the Insomnia application. In this application, in the home page, we have different options. We'll make use of the import option. So we'll click over import. It will open up this prompt where it will ask us to add file URL clipboard or drag and drop or choose a file to import. So we will choose the file which is saved at that location by the export option of Postman. So we'll choose the file. So we'll browse to the JSON file location and select bearer token postman collection.json. We'll select that, open it, and then click on scan. It will show us that Postman resources to import has 5 requests inside it. We will import all those 5 requests. It will create an imported workspace or collection for us. If we click on this imported workspace, it will open up our collection bearer token with all those 5 requests: list pipelines, delete pipelines, test, execute ADF pipeline, and get bearer token. Same like Postman. Everything has been exported from Postman to Insomnia application. Now we will try to execute one of the requests and see if it's working fine in Insomnia. So we'll first go to the Postman. We'll take the option of get bearer token, where we are getting the bearer token. For the Azure resources, we'll simply click on send from the Postman tool, and we know that the status 200 signifies that we are getting it correct. That is, the access token is fetched using the post request which we have framed. So here access token is granted through this post request by the framed URL of getting the bearer token, which we have already studied in one of the video. You can go through it to get more details about this. Okay, so this is just for testing purpose. So we are just hitting a post request using the Postman tool, and now we are going to do the same in the Insomnia application. Here we will select Get Bearer Token. In the Get Bearer Token, we can see that the URL is given. Then if we go to the Form tab, it will give us the different parameters and the values which we have configured for this particular post request, which lies in the body section of the Postman tool. Here we have given, right, the key value pair. Okay, same will be present inside the form. So that is imported and has been fixed here in the Form tab. Now this is fine. We will now hit the Send button. Click on Send. And here also on the right side, we can see 200 OK. That is the request completed successfully. And we have got the access token, okay, for the Azure resources and for the post method which we have created to get the bearer token. So in this video, we have exported a collection with the requests from Postman application to Insomnia application. Hope you have understood this simple video. Do let me know in comments if you have any queries. Happy learning. Bye.